In stocks, there are many details that investors need to look for when studying bases that may usher a great breakout. Accumulation is one of the most important details. At times, it can be the difference between a good base and a great one. So, investors who want to learn how to find the best growth stocks need to follow the institutional money. Stocks that rise in heavy volume before they move to a new highs are typically winning stocks, signaling that mutual funds and other big funds are actively taking positions. Stock prices do not go up by accident. A surge in buying demand is a must. And most of this demand comes from institutional investors who account for more than 75% of buying of the better quality leading stocks. Accumulation points to buying by professional and institutional investors such as hedge funds, mutual funds, and pensions. They are the big players in the market. It's their buying and selling that have the power to push stock prices dramatically higher or lower. Funds are just like elephants jumping into a bathtub. They are simply so big that the water rises and splashes all over the place. The accumulation distribution rating or buyer demand tracks the relative degree of institutional buying and selling in a particular stock over the past 13 weeks, which shows where money is flowing. This is a technical rating based on price and volume statistics. Buyer demand rating help investors identify whether funds are buying or selling a stock. A rating of A or B indicates accumulation or buying, while a C rating is neutral and a D or E indicates distribution or net selling. Once you're on MarketSmith's evaluation page, you'll notice the buyer demand rating on top of a chart. As a growth investor, you would like to focus on stocks that are rated A or B. C requires a careful study of the stock, and you would like to avoid anything that is rated D or E. If you come down to the summary section, you can see the accumulation distribution rating here as well. Now, the question you might have is there a place where we can find the stocks that see huge accumulation currently? The answer is yes. You can visit the idea list page and click on the list named Up on Volume under MarketSmith Stock Screens section. This list features stocks with a higher relative strength and earnings per share rating and up in price with above average volume. A special screen is used to eliminate the illiquid stocks. Another way you can find out the stocks with higher buyer demand is using our filter option. Just click on Filter India Stocks under Build Your Screens section. You can then click on Filter and apply Buyer Demand Filter under MarketSmith Ratings. You can also use various different combinations of scans using this tool.